Tutorial: Using variables in the instructions. With variables already defined and the Variable Manager interface enabled, adding variables to the instructions is as simple as clicking on the insert arrows. Instead of saying Bill in the instructions, you can replace it with the variable fnam1 to randomly draw a name from the fnames pool each time the activity resets. The same is true for the age value and the IP address. To insert the variable, click on the arrow on the first column next to fnam1. Note that the syntax for variables is the variable name enclosed in double brackets. Finish up by adding variables to the rest of the instructions. To preview what the instructions will look like, click on the Test Activity button and then press the Reset Activity button a few times, looking at the instructions. This ends the Using Variables in the Instructions tutorial.